Getting clients is one thing. Keeping them, that's where the real money is. You don't build a sustainable freelance business by consistently chasing new clients. You build it by keeping the good ones coming back again and again. So if you're tired of starting from scratch every month, this video is your freelance survival guide. Let's lock in that client loyalty. Here's the thing, a lot of freelancers are stuck in that one and done trap. They land the client, they finish the task, then silence. Crickets, buy income, and they go back to square one. Applying, pitching, hustling, burning out. It's exhausting, unpredictable, and not how you build a stable freelance life. The real question isn't just about how to get clients. It's how do I make clients stay? Hey, it's Jam, the founder of Barangay VA University, and welcome to our latest series called No Experience of Freelancing Spoon-Feed Edition. If up to now, we're on the last module, and you still don't have that, Notion board with you, what are you waiting for? Okay, click that link in the description board, go over the Notion board, and start from module 1. Okay, start from module 1. Because everything that you need for this freelance journey are here. Okay, go. Going back, I'm about to give the solution to your problem, so might as well like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because what I'm about to tell you in this video is value bomb. Here are the 5 things you need to do to turn one-time clients into long-time partners. First is to be proactive, not just reactive. Don't just wait for instructions. Anticipate what they need. Offer ideas, spot problems before they even become problems, okay? Clients love freelancers who think like team members, not order takers. For example, hey, I noticed X in your current workflow. I have a quick fix to that. Do you mind if I check it out for you? Number 2 is to communicate like a pro. Nothing kills a client relationship faster than ghosting or poor updates. First is to set expectations. Next is to give updates without being asked. Third is to own your mistakes. It happens, okay? What happened, Bella? Sure. And lastly, be clear and kind. Always. Pro tip here is to schedule weekly check-ins or even just a short message. Clients feel safe when they know what's going on. Okay? Number 3, show results, not just tasks. Don't just say what you did. Say what it achieved. For example, instead of just saying, I uploaded the newsletter, you can say, I uploaded a newsletter, added a click-worthy subject line, and 500 plus subscribers opened it in the first hour. Clients don't pay for hour. They pay for impact. Remind them of that often. Number 4 is to suggest new ways to work together. Finish the project? Great. Now what? What's next? Always plant the seed for the next thing. First is offer a retainer. Next is to then upsell a related service. Next is to ask what their next big goal is. Then align your service with that. If you don't ask, you don't get. Clients often don't know that you can help them with more unless you tell them. And last, number 5, be easy to work with. This is really underrated. Okay? Sometimes it's not just about who's the most talented freelancer out there. It's about who's the easiest to deal with out there. Number 1, be on time. Number 2, follow instruction. Number 3, be flexible when needed. And number 4, no diva energy allowed. Ahem jam. No diva energy allowed. A chill, professional attitude makes clients want to keep you around. Let's talk about the mindset shift right now, okay? Stop thinking like a task-doer. Start thinking like a long-term partner. Your goal isn't just to close a sale. Your goal is to build a client relationship that lasts. That is how you build predictable income, referrals, and even dream opportunities. Alright, now it's your turn, okay? Look at your current clients and ask, what can I do today to make them want to work with me again? Remember that you don't need 100 clients, okay? You just need a few of the right ones. Over and over again. And let's make that happen.